If you're trying to sell your house fast in Baltimore or Maryland, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. All cash buyers and investors use the same formula to determine what they're going to offer you for your house. And I'm going to tell you how that works. It has 4 components. The first component is what's called the after repair value, or the ARV. That's what your house is worth fully renovated compared to other houses that are similar in your neighborhood. Number 2 is we back out 10% for closing costs, because that's what it costs us to close, to hold it while we're rehabbing, and to sell it on the back end. Number 3, we back out a profit. We're all in the business of making money. Usually that's 20%. And number 4, we have to determine what the rehab cost is to get your house to that ARV. It's that simple. You're going to get offers from a lot of investors that are about the same, and you're probably going to get one offer from an investor that's way high. I can tell you that investor is probably playing a game. He's probably going to renegotiate with you at closing. So be careful when you're dealing with cash buyers looking to buy your house.